Trying the most beautiful desserts in Paris. Okay, let's try the peanut one first. Oh my god. This is 100 out of 10. Up next, we have this raspberry one. We have this big cacao. And this was like around $200. Props to the chef and the baker. This is absolutely delicious. Up next, we have a vanilla bean. It literally tastes like a vanilla bean. This is delicious. I don't think you guys understand how happy I am. I feel like I'm in heaven right now. Okay, up next we have a walnut. It's nice and spongy. You could definitely taste the walnut. Trying beautiful desserts in Paris. Yo. Wow. Wow. These are like the peanuts they be feeding the elephants. Wow. The details are insane. Look at this giant cacao. Now this is what you call high quality. Everything tastes really good. Probably the best mousse I've ever had too. Just this one dessert was $60. That's a little insane. There's like 3 layers. Okay, up next we have this mango one. Look at the details on this. What the heck? The mango inside tastes really fresh. The cream is really nice. Even the mango chunks are cut evenly. Up next we have a walnut. Yo. It has a really nice caramel and walnut taste. I think there's also pecans in this. Probably vanilla bean. I do taste vanilla bean. This is amazing. Up next we have this pistachio one. Lastly we have this apple one. I really did not like this one. Trying Ghirardelli's new pistachio loading lineup. Okay, first off we have the Dubai style chocolate sundae. This is delicious. Look how creamy and smooth this vanilla ice cream is. We got their smooth and creamy vanilla ice cream, their handmade hot fudge, and crunchy Dubai pistachio filling. Topped off with their whipped cream, caramel drizzle, and their iconic Ghirardelli chocolate. And it also comes with a mini size. How cute. We also have their Dubai style chocolate strawberry bliss. Look how fresh these strawberries are. Have a bite. Phenomenal. Literally cannot beat the handmade hot fudge. And the crunchy pistachio kataifi filling. You could literally taste the quality. If you love pistachio and chocolate, you need to try their new pistachio loading lineup. Which one are you trying first? Trying beautiful desserts in LA. Starting off, we have the mango one. Up next, we have a banana one. I've never tried this one before. There's like chocolate inside. Up next, we have this mushroom one. This one almost has like a chocolate flavor. There's also raspberry in there. Let's try the stem. It's like a whole bunch of caramel. We have an orange one. It tastes like an orange creamsicle. This one's really good. Up next, we have a lemon one. Is this edible? This one is fantastic. Might be my favorite one. Lastly, we have an apple. Go eat your fruits. Trying beautiful desserts in LA. Starting off, we have this blueberry one. 8 out of 10. Ooh. Saved it. I saved it. Oh my gosh. Okay. This one is like a cacao bean. Let's try this pear. Let's have a coffee. Up next, we have a coconut, like a pina colada. Finally, an edible leaf, but it's kind of broken. I believe this is mango on top. Yeah, it is. Lastly, we have a tomato. Have a bite. Trying beautiful desserts in LA. First up, we have an apple one. This one literally tastes like an apple pie. Up next, we have a mango one. This one definitely tastes better than last time. It's so good. Okay, this one's a new one. I think this is a raspberry one. This one tastes like an Earl Grey tea. This one's delicious. Next up, we have this lemon one. This one always explodes. This one is so messy. Oh my gosh. I believe this is a blueberry. Not too sure. Spongy and flavorful. Up next, we have this beautiful peach one. Lastly, we have this cool looking one. Let's eat some joy cakes. This is so cute. We have
Dubai joy cake and strawberry joy cake. She's the first to try Dubai.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the strawberry first. Oh my gosh, the texture is so squishy. Okay, cheers. Oh my gosh. Yep. This is freaking good. Yeah, the inside has like a nice strawberry taste. Guys, I can't stop smiling because it's so freaking good. Yo, this is amazing. And I really like the base too. Look how cute. Cute. And it's squishy. Guys, look at it. Okay, this is
pistachio basque cheesecake, but it has like a chocolate coating on top, so it's gonna be crunchy. Okay, the Dubai filling.
Okay, I'm excited. My favorite one right now, the strawberry and the matcha one. That's like
same.
Dude, that one's like so good. Also, guys, that was like my first meal of the day. That's worth it. That is so worth it. Also, congratulations, Joy, on her location. She got a location now. She knows where she's gonna be posted up.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be posted up there. Let's eat Jollibee. Shout out to all my Filipinos. They literally have the best fried chicken. Jollibee fries. Guys, I didn't know they had mac and cheese. This is really good, actually. Guys, I asked for the regular size one, but they gave me a freaking family size, yo. Crazy. Up next, we have a peach mango pie. So good. Lastly, we have a pineapple drink. Let's eat some Little Caesars. I don't know what kind of pizza I ordered, but there's 4 different flavors. I'm gonna go with the jalapeno. Okay, this looks fire. Every time I get Little Caesars, I always have to get the marinara and dip my pizza in it. This one looks like a carbonara pizza, I'm not gonna lie. They're onto something. A lot of people don't like Little Caesars. I have no idea why, but it's so good. Like, it's very flavorful. And the price? You can't beat the price. It's so good. Okay, time for the ranch. You could barely see it, but it's right here. Damn. This is a crazy slice. I would be mad if I got this slice. That was delicious, but I do like it more with the marinara. Let's try their wings. Let's eat some Wingstop. We have hot honey. Favorite one, garlic parm. We got some fries. Have a bite. We have some corn.